Are you trying to download NVIDIA Broadcast but getting stuck with an installation failed error? If so, this video is exactly what you need. I personally spent 3 days troubleshooting this issue before finding the solution, and today I'm going to walk you through the fix step by step. First, we need to perform a clean sweep of your current NVIDIA software. 1. Go to your control panel and open Programs and Features. 2. Locate all available NVIDIA applications and programs listed here and uninstall them one by one. 3. Once uninstalled, you must restart your system. 4. Quick check. After the restart, if you open Task Manager, you should see that the NVIDIA GPU entry is no longer active. Next, we need the latest interface. Open your web browser and search for NVIDIA App Install. Click on the official link and hit the Download Now button. Once the latest NVIDIA app file is downloaded, go ahead and install it. Now, launch the newly installed NVIDIA app. Navigate to the Drivers tab. You will see options for the Game Ready driver or the Studio driver. Select the one that matches your requirements. Download and install your chosen driver. Crucial step. Once the installation is complete, restart your system one more time to apply the changes. We are now ready for the final step. Open the NVIDIA app again and go to the Home section. You can download NVIDIA Broadcast directly from here. Alternatively, you can now install it via the official website without errors. Finally, your NVIDIA Broadcast software is installed and ready to use.